Anglers, welcome back to another Ohio River fishing report for mid-May. Got something really special in the works for this one. I got to witness something really incredible that I have never really quite got to see before, and it's all really thanks to Garmin Live Scope. If you know me, I use that. Fish in the mouth again. I can't believe they're still out there. 68-degree water temperature on the way out in the tributaries. The Ohio was 65. And they were stacked up super thick at the mouth. And you can see right here where I'm fighting one. This is a pretty good one, and some of these shots you're going to see the bass busting around it too. So there's quite a few bass out in the river at this point in time. And I got to see them move across from the Ohio and move into the tributary and then up the tributary. I even tried to follow one school, and I was able to follow it up to some trees, and then they all just kind of went into the trees, and then they just kind of stuck still. But they moved up into this is probably the final run of the white bass and hybrids. And there were some good hybrids. There was a bunch of 20-inch hybrids mixed in with these white bass here. And here's one of the typical hybrids in this group. And there was just a bunch of them. And I'll throw up a picture of my fish finder after this catch is over. And you can see them just all stacked up at the mouth. And it was really an amazing day to watch and get to see this. You know, you don't often get to see nature in action, and Live Scope, it allowed me to see it in real time as they swam out of the Ohio and into the tributary and move up in the tributary. And it didn't happen until towards the end of the day, really, because I was hammering them all day long on here. I mean, it was just one of those magical days on the Ohio River that you just love to have. Guys, I hope this gets you out on the Ohio, or probably better yet, some of the lower tributaries. The first 2, 3, 4 miles of a tributary is probably going to be some hot action for the next week or two. Guys, I hope this gets you on some fish. I hope you guys enjoy it, and watch the rest of the fish catches. I'm going to let this run for about a little over 5 minutes so you guys can see what kind of day it was. Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys on the